I love comments that are about 3 sentences long, but in those 3 sentences, you can get in everybody wants it and I am platinum. Isn't that funny? Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video and our comment of the day. Well, we're going to talk about something that everybody wants, and they want it because they're diamond and platinum, or at least I got to throw in diamond and platinum. Somehow you got to get that loyalty level in there, and you got to say everybody wants it. Now, what they're talking about is booking shows online prior to your cruise. Now, there are some cruise lines out there that you can pre-book some of the production shows and other things on board cruise ships. However, even if you pre-book, if you still want the good seats, if you want some of the best seats in the place, you still have to arrive early. You still got to get there ahead of time. Otherwise, you're going to get what's left over. So there is some convenience to doing that. But in the case of Carnival Cruise Lines, you do not pre-book production shows. You do not pre-book comedy shows. But this person, they think and they say everybody wants it done online. I've talked to 2 reps at Carnival and have gotten different responses as to whether you can book shows online before your cruise. From what I can tell, it looks like everyone wants this done online with preference for platinum and diamond VIPs. So according to them, as far as they can tell, every single person agrees with them. They want to be able to book the shows online prior to the cruise. And of course they want preference for diamond or platinum. You can't forget that. Got to get that loyalty level in there. But everybody agrees with them. Kind of sounds like to me that, you know what, they just don't want to get there early to see the shows. They want to be able to come up whenever they want and say, but I'm diamond, I'm platinum. I'm going to come on in because look, I got to book and reserve first. And everyone wants the same thing. But do they all think that? Well, guess what? There was a survey and people were asked, do they want to do it online? And well, let's take a look at the survey and see, does everybody agree with them? So you have the choices of yes, please. Do pre-cruise online reservations for shows and comedy shows? No, thank you. And then, doesn't concern me. I don't watch any of the shows or the comedy shows. And looky, majority of people that voted on this said no, thank you. Well, I guess everyone doesn't agree with you after all. Now, I could say that there's probably some validity to being able to pre-book shows. Like I said, it could at least guarantee you a seat in the theater, but even for the majority of the ones that you can pre-book for, all it does is guarantee you a seat, provided you still have to show up early, because normally the last 10, 15 minutes right before the show starts, that's when they let the standby people come in. So you could pre-book the show, you could have a reservation for the show, you could show up 5 minutes before the show starts and still not have a seat. So does it really make all that much difference? Because like I said, you book online, if you still want a good seat, you still got to show up early. If you don't book online, like in the case here of Carnival Cruise Lines, well, if you want a good seat, you still have to show up early. But let me throw it over there to you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Do you prefer to book your shows online prior to the cruise? Are you okay with just going to the show early and getting the best seat in the house? And should it matter if you're diamond or platinum, honestly? All right, and that is going to be our video for today. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.